Hi, my name is Harold Nemes. I'm trailer manufacturer in Lebanon. My life in the Philippines is poor and salary is so low. And looking for a job in New Zealand, Recruit NZ recommended me and processed my application with just a few months. I am now working in Living as a trailer manufacturer. What I like about Recruit NZ is that they are reliable and the process is so fast and stress free, and they have good communication to us and easy to reach out. I am happy because I'm working the job I wanted and I wanted and my family can stay here with me in New Zealand. I would like to recommend Recruit NC to my families, friends, and the Philippines. Mm, thank you.